What's up, Myrtle Beach Travel Park? Welcome back to our virtual activity corner here. Today we are going to be making snails for our craft. So in your bag you'll have crayons, the body of your snail, and a leaf. So the first thing you're going to do is color your snail. You can do it however you'd like, just be creative. Just like that. So you can be creative, you can give your snail dots, stripes, you can color it all one color. The next thing you are going to do is take your leaf. You have a glue dot on your leaf. I would remove that sticker first. Just like that. And then you're going to color your leaf on the side with the glue dot. Try not to color over your glue dot, your crayon will get stuck on there. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to roll your snail up really tightly. Just like that. And then you are going to kind of pull out that thing so it's not as tight, just like that. And then you're going to stick it on top of your glue dot. Just like that. And there you have it. We hope you enjoyed this craft. We'll see you guys later. Bye.